Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to add image banner on Shopify. So the first step is to simply go to online store and then click on themes, and after that you'll have to go to the current theme and then simply click on customize, and after that here you're gonna find, as you can see, you have where it says template, you're gonna have this image banner, so you can simply click on it, and if you want you can use this. Or if you want, you can simply add a new one. So click on add section and then here simply click on image banner. And as you can see here, we have image banner. So we have the text, we have the description, and we have the buttons. So if you click on it here on the right side, you can see the first image and the second image. So here you have to upload your images. So you can simply click on for free images. I'm gonna go with the free image just to show you how this works. So let me select this, and after that I'm gonna choose the second image, this one here, and then select again. And as you can see, we have two different images, and then we can scroll down and we can play around with the settings. As you can see, you can change the image overlay opacity, you can change the banner height, so you can go with small, can go with large, depending on your store design, or you can simply adapt the first image. As you can select this, but I'm gonna go with small. Then here you have desktop content position, so you can choose the position, so you can go the right, the left, and I'm gonna go with middle center. And then here you have desktop content alignment, so you can go with the alignment of the text and buttons. And then you have the color schemes, you have animations, and then you have the mobile layout, and basically that's all you have basically. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.